Fans of the popular Filipino boy band SB19 are in for a treat as the group recently dropped a teaser for their upcoming episode of Showbreak 6. Episode 2, in the short clip, SB19 members are seen taking on a unique culinary challenge, cooking the beloved Filipino dish, kare kare. The teaser showcases the group members in a lively kitchen setting, enthusiastically preparing the dish known for its rich, thick, and savory peanut sauce. Traditionally made from a base of stewed oxtail, beef tripe, pork hocks, calf's feet, pig's feet or trotters, various cuts of pork, and beef stew meat. It is a flavorful Filipino cuisine that combines tender meat with a hearty, nutty sauce, often enjoyed with steamed rice.
Welcome sa Showbreak 6, Episode 2!
Para makuha ang lahat ng sangkap, kailangan yung maglaro. Bawat laro ay may bawas na 1 minuto sa oras.
Alright! Magsisimula na magluto.
Ang aming kare-kare. Wala kami magawa rito. Kaya mo yan, kaya.
Kung ano na, chwet-chwet mo sa akin.
Face up,